Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inserting the memory card into your reader. Make sure the card clicks fully into place. Once detected, open your file browser and navigate to the card root so you know where photos are stored. You want to verify free space and card format now because that affects transfer speed and compatibility. Make a new backup folder on your computer labeled with date. This keeps things organized. If prompted for permissions, allow access so files can be copied without interruption. You select the photo folders or specific files and choose Copy, not Move, because copying preserves the original on the card. Once you paste into your backup folder, use a quick verification. Compare file counts or sizes, or run a checksum tool if you have many files. If the transfer is large, do it in batches to reduce errors and allow progress checks. Make sure you close any photo viewers that might lock files. That avoids incomplete copies and keeps the process smooth. Once copying and verification are complete, safely eject the card through your operating system. Do not just pull it out, because that prevents file system corruption. Then, make a second backup to an external drive or cloud service for redundancy. 2 copies is the minimum. If you find missing or corrupted photos, stop using the card and run a recovery tool immediately and check for hidden or system files. If recovery fails, consider using a professional service. Time matters for salvageable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.